पाकिस्तानी मुस्तकिल मंदूब आसिम इफ्तिखार अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की सलामती काउंसिल के इजलास से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Saudi Arabia and Turkey in Islamabad last week to advance the pursuit of a peaceful resolution of the ongoing crisis through intensified diplomatic engagement. After the Deputy Prime Minister's meeting with His Excellency Mr. Wang Yi, the Foreign Minister of China in Beijing last week, China and Pakistan announced a 5-point initiative with a sequenced roadmap encapsulating an immediate halt to hostilities, launch of inclusive peace talks, protection of civilians and critical infrastructure, restoration of maritime security in the Strait of Hormuz, and a firm reaffirmation of the UN Charter and international law as the indispensable framework for a lasting political settlement. President, our objective is clear: a permanent end to hostilities, containing the expansion of this conflict and preventing any further loss of civilian life or destruction of critical infrastructure. Pakistan remains committed to continue playing its constructive role in promoting dialogue, fostering understanding, and supporting all efforts aimed at achieving lasting peace in the region. I thank you.
I thank the representative of Pakistan for the statement. I give the floor to the representative of France.
अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की सलामती काउंसिल के इजलास से पाकिस्तानी मुस्तकिल मंदूब आसिम इफ्तिखार खिताब कर रहे थे। आपको बताएं कि आब हरमुज़ खोलने के लिए सलामती काउंसिल में करारदाद लाई गई जो कि नाकाम हुई।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।